Gabriella, look.
Gabrielle, eat your cake.
Yeah, stick it in.
Go for it.
Grab it, grab it.
Did you guys smear that cake on her?
No, she
No,
has
that
a
was
candle. Corey, watch out.
No, I went like this.
No,
So
no,
first
candles.
it's like
This
that.
candle's yuccas.
Yeah.
Corey,
That's not fun enough.
what do you say, Corey? No, best for you.
Thank you.
Eat it.
Trying to grab the rose.
Eat it.
I've
Gabriella.
never seen food like that before.
So pretty.
Watch this.
There, now you got the taste of it. Now eat it.
Watch this.
Now eat. Look at her. She's such a girl. She's going for the little piece.
Gabriella.
Window in there, let air in. In the hall bathroom? Yeah. Probably. It's like
I know.
every,
really cold in that
everyone on our
bathroom
house.
Hey, there we
Some of
go.
ours, but that one, I guess, because the door's always
Oh
shut.
my gosh, I need that one.
That was
Yeah.
that candle.
Well, you think that would keep